Hello friends, this is Dr. Bharath Chandra. The other day, we got an email. I inquired. It was from Pune. I believe he was a software engineer, aged 35. And he requested me, Dr. Bharath Chandra, I am sending the list of my shares. Can you look at it and give your comments? I asked him how much you can save in a month. He said I can save 20,000 rupees a month. I have to present you the list that he has sent and then I will comment on that. Before that, my dear friends, if you see this video completely and then you comment and do all the things that we have told you, at the end we will talk about a small ebook gift that will be sent to you. My dear friends, here is a list. For example, he has purchased Ashoka Leyland, purchase price 120, current price 76. Suzlon Energy, purchased for 14 rupees, now 3 rupees. IDFC First Bank, purchased at 32, 30 rupees. Infosys, purchased at 803, now quoting 1010. I'm not going to tell everything in detail. I'm going to summarize. I went through, made the fundamental analysis of each one of these stocks based on whatever I have told you earlier. And somebody who has taken the workshop will understand what I'm speaking. Ashoka Leyland, profit is going down every year. Suzlon Energy, under heavy loss. IDFC First Bank, under loss. Infosys, good performance. DLF, net loss this year. Adani Power, under heavy loss. ONGC, profit is reducing every year. India Bull Ventures, profit is reducing every year. JK Lakshmi Cement, performance is okay. Karnataka Bank, not a leading bank in the banking sector. Tata Motors, heavy loss. Punjab National Bank, bad performance. SpiceJet, under loss. Yes Bank, under loss. Sri Renuka Sugars, heavy loss. HUL, Hindustan Unilever, good performance. ITC, performance is good, but somehow stock price is not picking up. Relaxo Footwear, good performance. My dear friends, these are the 18 stocks this young software engineer had purchased, and I told you my comments. Before that, I had to tell you some beautiful story. Long back, I was conducting a workshop in Belgaum. One participant in my stock market workshop came to me, big list of paper, huge long paper, printout. Sir, look at my shares. I had a look, 131 shares he has purchased. And then I asked him, are you King Shah Jahan? I had read long back that King Shah Jahan had many queens. I don't know, it's 131 or whatever. Just for a joke, I'm telling you. My dear friends, you cannot look after 131 shares nor 18 shares as in this case. So there are two kinds of investors. Investor, trader. I presume you are an investor. Trader is a person who is making money from stock market. Investors should not have more than 6 to 10 shares maximum, because every day you need to have a look at it, a glance at it. And my dear friends, now my comments, so many shares you cannot manage. Out of his 18 stocks, 8 companies are making net loss and 5 companies good performance, but none of these stocks are sector leaders. Most of the companies are small cap and mid cap, too many companies. And then why I made this video is, maybe you are also making the same mistake, or you are likely to make the same mistake in the future. So I am warning you beforehand. I asked that software engineer, why did you buy so many companies, and that also poor performance companies? He told me, sir, my broker told me to buy all these shares because they're all less in price, so that will appreciate later. My dear friends, wrong technology. You should buy stocks on your own, not based on the recommendation from somebody, not from Dr. Bharath Chandra, because everybody has their own method of portfolio management. What I am telling you, somebody else may not say. Very important, my dear friends, don't ask anybody. The responsibility of choosing the right stocks should be based on your research, not on somebody else. It is like going to medical shop and taking some medicine. And after some time, you start vomiting blood. You cannot go back to the medical shop owner and ask him, because it was not your job to ask him. You should have asked the doctor. Similarly, my dear friends, you take the decision to buy the shares, not somebody else. My dear friends, if you like this video, please press like button. Please comment. We take so much of pains to make the video. Each video takes half a day to make, editing, and we spend more than 4,000-5,000 rupees making one video. At least be happy to comment, and at least press the like button, and then pass it on and refer it to or share it to at least 50 to 100 people, so that they will not commit the same mistake in the future and buy so many shares and keep asking somebody other than themselves, like a stockbroker, etc. If you are not a member of Dr. Bharath Chandra YouTube channel, kindly become member. Press the bell icon so that you will get the notification directly. Now, this is the time to tell you about the e-gift. For example, I am going to keep this slide in front of you so that you can have a look at the conditions. First condition, you must be our channel member. Second, you must have commented. Third, you must have pressed the like button. Fourth, you must have shared this video to at least 50 people. Fifth one, you must be able to send an email to successdigest@gmail.com, and then in the subject you should write down send ebook 11. I repeat, send ebook 11. And then within the next 1 week, surely the ebook will come to you, and that is a beautiful book on quotations. My dear friends, thank you for watching the whole video. Let me compliment all of you. Bye-bye.